Must see this super clean, freshly painted 2-bedroom 2-bath condo with an open floor plan. Kitchen boasts 42 inches cabinets, breakfast bar and beautiful Silestone counters. Spacious living and dining areas feature gleaming hardwood floors. Sliding glass doors lead you to the balcony where you can take in the sights of the beautiful grounds. Both bedrooms have walk-in closets and access to full bath. Private laundry room with brand new washer. Meticulously maintained. Very secure elevator building. Underground heated garage. Easy access to expressways, shopping and restaurants. Come take a look.